Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Oreo milkshake. So come on, let's get started. So to make 3 cups of Oreo milkshake, I have taken 10 Oreo biscuits. You can also replace these biscuits with some other chocolate flavored biscuits. I'm going to transfer this to a mixer jar. And we are going to grind this into a coarse paste. If required, you can also add sugar. I'm adding around 3 teaspoons of sugar. And we need not grind this into a smooth paste, just use the pulse mode once or twice. And now I'm adding 2 cups of milk. I have already boiled this milk and I have cooled this down. So after adding milk, I'm also adding 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You can also use chocolate flavored ice creams. And now I'm going to grind this for 1 or 2 minutes until it is frothy. That's it. Oreo milkshake is that easy to make, and this is a perfect recipe for this summer. And few might not find Oreo biscuits healthy, so drinking it once in a while, I don't think it will harm us. But as I suggested you can also replace this with any other wheat flavored chocolate, that is wheat chocolate flavored biscuits. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.